Hi, today I will show you how to speed up your computer startup using a program made by Microsoft called MSConfig in Windows XP. First, click Start, then Run, and in the box type MSConfig, MSCONFIG. And if you use Windows Vista, click Start, and in the search box type the same thing and you will search for a program, and you click on the program and it should pop up. Okay, when system configuration utility is loaded, click on the startup tab and just disable what you don't want at startup. Like I have disabled Apple Sync Notifier and all of these, and this will speed up my computer startup. Once you are finished, just click OK, and if this message appears, just click OK. And you must restart your system for the chance made by system configuration to take effect, but I will restart it later, so I click exit without restarting. Thank you.